So this is my, I guess, 4-week project over 3D printing. Um, on this, I basically just wanted to learn how to design my own stuff, as well as import my own stuff and customize it to the way I wanted it. So, what I did for one of my designs that I made, um, started up here with the sketch tool, and I just sketched out a rectangle. And this was for my name tag that I did. And then from here, I just extruded it. Probably about like that. Whoops. I think I might have messed up. Or, no, I think I'm good. Okay. So, then what I did was, I just put text over it. So I put Blake here. Um, and then, well, crud. Okay, and then I extrude this text up, make it taller. And then what I did was move it over top of the card. So it's about like that. And then what I did was, you gotta move the text through the other, I guess you would say, object. Then you go up here to the subtract tool. For the target, the solid, you select that one. For the one, you select this, and you just click back on the grid, and then you've got that with a hole in it. And that's basically how you can make a hole on anything. I put another little hole up here so I could put the keychain in it. And what I did was I just got a cylinder and sized it down and did the same thing with this. So on the second part of my project, what I did was I went to PinShape, which is a website that I found where you can download STL files. And I downloaded some, which you can see is pretty easy. You can just kind of look around, see if there's anything cool you might want. Let me reopen. So, once you download it, you can import your 3D model, and I'll just browse my computer because I've already downloaded them. So this is like the phone doc that I downloaded. I don't know, you can adjust them to how you want it. Size, shape, you can customize it, put your name on top of it, things like that. So that's what I did for the second part of it, basically. You use all the same tools. How I messed up on this is I need to make that a mesh instead of a solid, or turn it from a mesh to a solid. So yeah, let me think, what else did I do? That's pretty much what I did for the second part of that, because I sized it and scaled it down so it would be as big as I wanted it. And that took kind of a while. So yeah, first couple weeks I basically just learned how to use all these different tools. Um, yeah. What else did I do? I mean, I used a couple of tutorials. This one I probably used most for making the card. But the other one, this video, just basically shows the basics of the tools and making, I guess, your first objects. Like all these different stuff up here. And then I learned how to combine and merge things. But yeah, that was pretty much what took up my first 2 weeks, was learning that, building the business card. My third week is where I kind of didn't do as much as I would have liked to. I didn't have a clear idea of what I wanted to make for my final project, and that's probably the one thing I regret most. Because if I would have had a better idea, I would have been able to print more, get more experience, and be better at designing this stuff. But overall, I liked 3D printing, and I would like to learn more about it still. And I still want to print my final project, because it didn't print, because I didn't turn it from a mesh to a solid. So that's pretty much what I did on 123Design. Yeah, I think that's my video.